The purpose of making this video is to tell you guys why this channel was created and what we're gonna get from this channel. Okay, so hi everyone, my name is name में क्या ही रखा है content matters. So I wish कि जो content है वो worthful हो. I'm a software developer and like many of you I'm continuously learning and improving my skills in .NET and backend development. So this was the basic introduction about me. Let's move forward. Why this channel? So I decided कि instead of learning silently, I decided to document my learning journey. So whatever I'm gonna learn here, like concepts, mistakes, real world implementation, whatever, I will share everything here and I'll try कि ये काफ़ी simple and बहुत ही practical way में हो. Okay, and what we're gonna learn here. So I have made this list, but ये editable है. So if anything comes in between like comments, feedback, suggestions, कुछ भी अगर वो लगता है कि I have to cover that, ये list edit हो जाएगी and that will be added. So here are the things like code first approach. Here we'll use migrations and we'll like connect our database with our .NET core application, and using code first approach like C# code, we will do all the functionality or perform all the functionality of the SQL. So I'll make this first video. After that, I have chosen the topic of authentication and authorization and generating a JWT token. So I'll show and demonstrate using code that how it works. Then after that, I'll talk about .NET Core and their fundamentals. Then what about I'll talk about web APIs, entity frameworks, link, then database design, and at the end I will start building a project so that I can cover all those points. And after that I'll move towards full stack development. So this is the thing which I am trying, or I'll try to cover in this channel. So now the thing is ki for whom this channel is. So this channel is for the beginners, working professionals, and anyone who wants to become a better .NET developer by learning through real examples and by getting demonstrations through code and real life, like we face real life issues in code, so by solving all those things. So this channel is technically for those people. If you want to grow step by step with me, so subscribe to this channel. Let's develop ourselves one line of code at a time. Thanks for staying so long and watching this video.